Hiya folks! Have you ever been curious as to how the ever so delectable brownie came about? My guess is no.
But we're here to tell you. Some of the earliest recipes date back to 1904. You can still find these recipes in the Home Cookery book. Good
old Bertha Palmer was the first to request such a decadent dessert, and ever since then, brownies have been eaten all around the world. They mainly started in the US and Canada, but hey, yeah. Pop quiz!
Are brownies considered A, salty, B, sweet, or C, bitter? Find out after this break.
Now to the answer for this pop quiz.
If you guessed A, salty, you were incorrect. If you guessed C, bitter, you were also incorrect. But if you guessed B, you were 100% right.
Let's get cooking. First, you must set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows many magical things to happen.
Nobody likes a sticky brownie, so you want to be sure to spray your pan with some form of cooking spray, and/or Crisco, and/or butter, and/or lard, etc. period.
Coat it nicely! The next step is to measure 1 cup of flour. Be sure to lightly spoon the flour into the measuring cup to create the right texture for the brownies.
Be rid of excess flour by leveling it out with a butter knife, or one of those special things that you can buy at a store. You know what they're called. Oh, look at that. You just cut right across. Perfect. Make sure. Oh, look at that. Oh, gosh. Perfect. Now you're ready to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Alright. 1/4 teaspoon of, just kidding, this is 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Sorry about that, folks. Don't want to do that. Salty brownies are never delicious. 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. And now we're ready for the other mixture.
Sugar mixture, we're adding 3/4 cup granulated sugar and 1/4 cup packed brown sugar.
Oh, look at that.
Once the sugars are thoroughly combined, 1/4 cup of peanut butter is added. Next, you add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. A little spill there. Lastly, you add 1 egg.
Make sure you don't get any shells in there. Once thoroughly combined, you will then add the flour ingredients, little by little. You don't want to overload the sugar and peanut butter. It's gross. Once combined thoroughly, you want to add this bad boy into this one. So I'm going to do so. Spoon her in there because it's nice and thick. Who knew? Brownies were thick. But hey, who is a baker here? Certainly not I, based off of our cookies. You know.
It's for you, Miss O'Shea.
Screw you, man.
Alright, look at that. That looks terrific. Haters gonna hate. And then you want to flatten that down, because it's not supposed to be a ball. But yet we have a ball. Okay, so once that's all flat, spread her about the pan equally. You're going to toss her in the oven for a solid 25 minutes. Then, we'll check back on it and let you know how we're doing.
So, while our brownies are in the oven, here's a little science behind baking. That was wrong.
Just roll with it.
While the brownies are baking, let's go over what's going on inside that oven.
I was like, why do you... While the brownies are baking, let's learn the science behind it.
Are you filming me?
Quack.
We still have to make a commercial.
Quack.
Gina, we still have to make a commercial. I'm sorry.
Once you take the brownies out, you then test it with a fork or a toothpick. See how it comes out clean? Minus the chocolate chip, but you're going to always get that, so don't ignore it. Now, they're ready to eat. Just let them cool and enjoy with your favorite topping.
The brownies undergo a phase change from liquid to solid. Before, the molecules are liquid and they're more spread out. After they're cooked, the molecules are solid and they're closer together.